So this is it, guys. Time check. It's already afternoon here in Yerevan, and this is my day 3. And I did not have any plans yet, of course, to go out because I prefer to stay here. But then I'm now ready. Actually, I'm now ready to explore, to stroll anywhere here. And we are out, and right now I am here at the bridge and feeling the street of the Yerevan city. So we are here at the
Sports and Concert Complex.
but before you come here, of course, you have to endure this ladder of success. Oh, it really feels like Christmas here because there are lots of pine trees and it looks like Christmas trees. We are now in the Armenian genocide.
Built on the hill, this memorial complex is dedicated to the memory of the 1.5 million Armenians who perished in the first genocide of the 20th century at the hands of the Turkish government.
Thanks. And this time, I shall go then to the downtown proper by walk. Yerevan, by the way, is the capital of Armenia, and their monetary unit here is called Armenian dram from drachma and UAE dirhams. So, drums. So basically, we are now in the Republic Square of Armenia. So as you can see here, this is the view. So good evening. So we are now in the memorial of Soviet Union, but it's freezing cold here and I cannot stand the cold here, so I'm in a hurry to go back into the car.
Mother Armenia's statue symbolizes peace through strength. It stands for all those women who were not afraid to take up arms and stand by their husbands during the clashes with Turkish troops and Kurdish irregulars.
So we are here at the Cascade Complex, wherein it's a very challenging place to visit because you have to walk by your feet going there. I don't know how many steps are there or how many ladders it has, but it's too tiring and exhausting. Actually, I cannot finish all the top. But as per the local guide here, they have elevator from the outside and it opens only during morning or daytime. But since it's already nighttime, it's not open, so you have no choice but to walk here. So yun, it's a success because we have reached the top. Though it's very hard, but greatly I survived, and now I am very much thirsty. Once I browsed the menu, there are lots of mouth-watering foods. Well, let's experience today a very luxurious meal. So here guys, we are about to eat our food here in the garden, and it's a fine dining. My tour or my vacation in Yerevan is about to end, and I am now at the Yerevan International Airport. So that's it, and I did enjoy very much the Yerevan tour. So I already checked in, and as I sit here at the airport, I came now to realize everything that has happened to me during the tour, and it already sunk into my mind. I am filled with so much really gratefulness in my life, and of course things will not happen if it's not because of the grace of God.